Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is about a wooden dummy transition application, how to move from set 1 to set 3 on the wooden dummy. This will help with your Wing Chun fluidity. But before we do that, I need you to go over the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always be kept up with our latest videos. Thank you so much for your continued support, and have a great day. Step forward, enter with Vial Sao, Lao Sao round to Double Lop Sao, Pak Sao Palm Strike. Release step, Pak Sao Gan, Jet Sao Chin Sao, Lop Sao Side Palm, Pak Sao Punch. Step across, Pak Gan, Jet Sao Chin Sao, Lop Sao Side Palm, Pak Sao Punch. Step forward, enter with Vial Sao, Lao Sao round to Double Lop Sao, Pak Sao Palm Strike. Release step, Pak Sao Gan, Jet Sao Chin Sao, Lop Sao Side Palm, Pak Sao Punch. Step across, Pak Gan, Jet Sao Chin Sao, Lop Sao Side Palm, Pak Sao Punch. Enter on your opponent using a Vial Sao, Double Lop Sao, Pak Sao Palm Strike. Release step, Pak Sao Gan Sao, cover the round punch. Jet Sao Chin, move outside, Lop Sao Side Palm, Pak Sao Punch to the body. Enter on your opponent using a Vial Sao, Double Lop Sao, Pak Sao Palm Strike. Release step, Pak Sao Gan Sao, cover the round punch. Jet Sao Chin, move outside, Lop Sao Side Palm, Pak Sao Punch to the body. Enter on your opponent using Vial Sao, Double Lop Sao, Pak Sao Palm Strike. Turn and first the round punch, Pak Sao Gan Sao, Jet Sao Chin Sao, move outside, Lop Sao Side Palm, finish Pak Sao Punch. Enter on your opponent using Vial Sao, Double Lop Sao, Pak Sao Palm Strike. Turn and first the round punch, Pak Sao Gan Sao, Jet Sao Chin Sao, move outside, Lop Sao Side Palm, finish Pak Sao Punch.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered. And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.